Good morning, students. I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for the preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School, and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning, and our topic is logical Venn diagram. We have studied the basic of Venn diagram and we are continuing the practice exercise of it. Okay, let's continue it. Now see the question number 13. Question number 13 is draw the Venn diagram for school, classroom and blackboard. School, classroom and blackboard. Let's see what is the Venn diagram for school, classroom and blackboard. First of all, here is blackboard. Okay, and blackboard will be in the classroom. So here is classroom and the classroom will be in the school. So here is school. Okay, done. So it is representation for school, classroom or blackboard. Let's see. First of all, blackboard, and blackboard will be in the classroom. So the all blackboards are in the classrooms and classroom will be in the school. So all classrooms will be in the school. But all schools are not will be in the classrooms and all classrooms will not be in the blackboard. Okay, so it is right pattern. Now we start question number 14. Question number 14 is snake, lizard, reptiles. Okay, now see, snake and lizard are different from each other and both are in the category of reptiles. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Here is snake and here is lizard. Both are different from each other and both are in the category of reptiles. So it will be Venn diagram for snake, lizard and reptiles. Snake and lizard are different from each other and all snakes are reptiles and all lizard are reptiles. So it is relationship for all and both are in category of reptiles. So it will be like this. Now the Venn diagram for politicians Venn diagram for politicians, poets and women. We have to draw the Venn diagram for politicians, poets and women. So it will be different type of questions. So please notice it. First of all, politicians, poets and women. So let's see. It is politicians. Now see, some politicians are poets, then it will be the relationship for some. Some politicians are poets and some poets are politicians. Now see women. Now see women, some women are poets and some women are politicians, then it will be like this. Oh. Now see, some politicians are poets and some poets are politicians. It is relationship of some. Now see, some women are poets and some women are politicians. So it is relationship of women. It will be like this. It is new type of question. So please notice it. Now the next question is question number 16. Let's see what is question number 16. Question number 16 is woman teacher and doctor. Woman teacher and doctor. We have to draw the Venn diagram for it. Woman, teacher and doctor. Now see, some women are teachers. So here is woman and some women are teachers. So here is teacher. Okay. Some women are teachers. Now see, some doctors are teachers and some women are doctors. So it will be like this. It will be the Venn diagram for woman, teacher and doctor. Now see, some women are teachers, so for the relationship of some and some teachers are women. Now see, some doctors are teachers because the teachers who teaches the doctors or medical students, these are doctors. Then some doctors are teachers and some women are doctors. Then it will be the relationship of some and all of three are related with each other. So it is different type of question. Okay. Now see. Next is question number 17. Draw the Venn diagram for book, pen, pencil. Okay. Now see. Here is book. Here is pen. Both are different from each other. And here is pencil. Pencil. Now see. Book are different from pens and pens are different from pencil and pencils are also different from books. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Here is books, here is pen, here is pencils, and all of three are different from each other. So it will be relationship like this. Okay. Now we see the next question. The next question is question number 18. Moon, Earth and universe. Now we have to draw the Venn diagram for Moon, Earth and universe. So let's see. Here is Moon and here is Earth, and both are different from each other. So Venn diagram will be like this, but both are in the category of universe, because Moon and both are in the universe. So the Venn diagram for Moon, Earth and universe will be like this, because Moon and Earth are different from each other. So it will be like this, but both are in universe. So the both will be in the category of universe, and Venn diagram will be like this. So I hope you got it. So please note down it in your notebook and practice it. We will continue it in next class. Okay, thank you.